How to fix Netflix loading problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the Netflix loading problem on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here type Netflix and click on it, and here we'll find storage, and then click clear cache and click force stop. Then just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, so just close all the applications in the background, and then go to Play Store and type Netflix, and then just check if there's an update here, and then just update your Netflix. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.